njengamaPholisa akoBulawayo namhlanje we were commemorating together with the world 16 days activism against gender-based violence. Sinanzelele ukuthi kulama cases domestic violence, awe rape, indecent assault, aggravated indecent assault, lamanye ama cases la whereby abantwana abancane, abantu balala labantwana abancane. Lathi njengamaPholisa siyagqugquzela sihambile namhlanje samatsha sakhulumisana loZulu, saxwayisa, sacebisa uZulu ukuthi akukuhle lokho kwenza abantwana bangakhuli kuhle, ukuchawa lokuhlukumeza kwabamama kuyahamba kuyadisturba izinto eziningi in our communities. Sithi thina njengamaPholisa asibuye nini sizoreport ama cases anjalo. Lathi amaPholisa we are going to investigate, salithembisa Zulu ukuthi ama cases onke anjalo sizawaphatha ngokukhulu ukubunono, siza investigate izigebengu lezo sizihambise ejele. NjengamaPholisa siyathembisa njalo ukuthi siza continue lokho sikhankasa ukwenzele ukuthi uBulawayo wonke aphephe.
Siyabonga.